Do you remember that time that Sasquatch walked into your house, went down into your basement, opened up your basement fridge, and just crawled right into there? And then when you were like, yo, what's going on? And you looked in the fridge, it just looked like a normal fridge. No Sasquatch at all. People think that Sasquatch lives in the woods. He lives in my basement fridge. I keep trying to tell the History Channel to come to my basement to go look into my fridge. They haven't replied. They haven't responded. And I don't know why. Now, it could be that every time I try to get a picture of Sasquatch in my fridge, I just get a picture of a fridge that is in the basement. No Sasquatch. But then as soon as I put away the camera, oh, willy nilly, Sasquatch comes out. Yay, you're out of Cheetos. Oh, motherfucker, I don't put Cheetos in the fucking fridge. That being said, I might, from now on, to maybe get a picture of Sasquatch. I personally think that Sasquatch is trolling me, and I just need to get proof of it.